Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and for today's video we are going to do a quick and easy minimalist makeup look. So if it's your first time watching me or my channel, just make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also make sure you go ahead and click the little notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you can always be notified of all of my future videos because you never want to miss a single upload. You also want to make sure you're following me on Instagram at Heeeeeyyyyy and also subscribe to my family vlog channel right here on YouTube at Bradley Party of 6. So y'all, today we're actually going to do the opposite of what I usually do every video, and that is super easy, super quick, clean makeup. So I'm going to be featuring Merit Beauty in this video. They are a newer makeup brand that will be on Sephora.com and in select Sephora stores starting February 16th. So if you guys have been looking for a clean, a minimalistic makeup brand, this is definitely a good one for you. They sent over their starter kit, and y'all, I have not tried the products yet, but the packaging just has me so giddy. Like, first of all, your first order comes in this little corduroy makeup pouch. Like, how cute is this? This is just, I thought this was so cute when I saw it. And so your first order comes in that, and then they have so many different products, and a lot of their products are, you can use them for different things. So they have their foundation stick, which they don't call it a foundation stick. They don't call it a concealer stick. They actually call it the Perfecting Complexion stick. So you can use it as a foundation. You can use it as a concealer. I'm sure you can use it as a contour if you get a dark enough shade. So all of their products are like that, where you can literally use them for several different things. So I absolutely love that. I've been getting into more products like that lately just because it makes things super easy. Y'all know I have a baby and a bunch of other kids, so I have been finding ways to make my life easier, and that includes my makeup looks. All right, so I'm not going to talk your ear off. Let's jump right into the look. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. This is the brow styling wax. I actually hauled this in my last haul for you guys, so I have not used this yet, y'all, so we about to see. Let's see. First thing I'm doing is just brushing the brows up. Alright, so next I'm going to take my brow pencil, which is in the shade Chocolate. It's the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I'm just going to fill in the sparse areas. Should I have done that before the wax? Next I'm going to take the Merit Beauty. This is the Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade, and I got mine in the shade Black Brown. So I'm going to take that, and I'm just going to, this is how it looks. So small little spoolie. Very cute packaging. I'm loving the gold packaging. I'm just gonna take that, and this should help me to fill in any sparse areas. Give my brows a lot more shape and volume. I always feel like this brow cooperates better. That right brow just treat me dirty, but this left brow always got my back, I feel like. Alright, so the point of the brow isn't to have them look super full, just a little like bushy. Not like super, not super full, not super filled in is what I'm trying to say. So just really natural, almost like you woke up like that, you know what I mean? And then we're gonna clean it up too. But almost like you know, I woke up like this type brow. Let's clean it up and see what we get. the lashes. I feel like I'm gonna have to get used to this technique, but it actually doesn't look bad. It was my first time trying it, and I had really wanted to try the brow wax, so I'm okay with it. I feel like it looks super natural. Like I could go out and people would be like, oh, you didn't do your brows today, but not in a bad way. Like, oh, your natural brows look really good. Like I feel like that's what people would say to me if I would go out with these brows. All right, next I'm gonna start on the face. I'm gonna prime using my Fenty Beauty Mattifying Primer. You guys know this is like a holy grail. So we're gonna use this, just put a light layer on the skin. So next we're gonna use the Minimalist. This is the Perfecting Complexion Stick by Merit Beauty. And it says it's not a foundation or a concealer, it's both. Use it only where you need it so you get compliments on your skin and not your makeup. So I got mine in the shade Amber. It's a little deep for me. So what I'm going to do is actually mix it a little bit with this Lancome. This is the Tint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation Stick. I'm going to mix it together and I am going to just put it on different spots in my face. This is going to be a very, again, minimal, quick look. So we're just gonna put them on different spots of the face where I feel like I need a little bit of coverage. They also have a brush. This is the #1 blending brush. So I am going to use this to blend everything out. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of dampness using my Milk Makeup Blur Spray. Complexion looks good, super minimal. I just covered up a few dark spots and a pimple that I had, and I think our complexion looks really good. Next we're gonna do mascara. This is the Merit Beauty mascara. What is this? This is called the Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. Let's do some blush next. This one is called the Flush Balm Cheek Color. I got mine in the shade Raspberry Beret, but they have several different colors that you can choose from. And this is a universal tint that melts into your skin for lit from within color. So we're just gonna, I'm actually gonna use my fingers with this. This is one of those looks that if you need to be out the door in 5 minutes, like, you're gonna be able to do that, for real, for real. Everything is so easy to blend in and so easy to use. I mean, I have the Day Glow Highlighting Balm. This is perfect for day and night. This highlighter gives you a dewy, balmy sheen with zero sparkle. Ooh, she cute. She cute. This one is actually in the shade Bounce. So instead of rubbing it on my skin, I'm going to again use my fingers and just kind of add it to the tips of my cheekbones. Oh, it is like dewy and balmy. Oh my gosh. That's pretty. That is really cute. Okay. The formula is different from other highlighters, from other cream highlighters. It's very different. Last but not least, I did get their tinted lip oil. This is called the shade Slick is what it is. And it's a wash of sheer color rich with rose hip and grapeseed oils for healthy, never sticky lips. And this one's in the shade Sangria, so it's a deep berry. So I always like to top my looks off with a little bit of setting spray. look. Very clean, very minimal. I'm actually feeling this so much. All of my imperfections are covered, yet my skin is still peeking through, and I mean, I look like skin. I don't look like I have anything on. Very minimal and clean, and I am enjoying it. So all the products that I used will be linked down below if you are interested. You guys, the standout products for me, I think today, was definitely the highlighting balm. This is what I didn't think, I don't know, I thought I would like this the least, and I actually like this the most. Like seriously, you cannot go overboard with this guy. It just gives you kind of like that dewy look, and the texture, I don't know, the texture is just something so different from what I'm used to seeing in a highlighting stick. So I would definitely recommend that. That is like perfection. I love, what do you call this exactly? The cheek color. What do you call this? The Flush Balm. Love the Flush Balm, and I love the color I chose in the Raspberry Beret. That's very gorgeous. The lip is super gorgeous. You guys, I think I loved everything. I think I loved everything. Like I'm just really feeling this look. I'm really feeling this super clean, minimal look. This is one of those looks when you're running out the door. This can be achieved in about 10 minutes, all right? But that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Let me know what you think of it down below, especially the brows, y'all. I'm still a little iffy on the brows, but like they're growing on me. They're definitely growing on me. So let me know what you think down below in the description box. Not in the description box, in the comment section. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.